Hi, hello. This is the breakdown for the technical analysis agent that I demoed on the page. So it's so just a quick recap. It will it will analyze only indices which I made for myself and for the trading circle that I have that trades indices. And it once you get the symbol, once you give the symbol, it will get the chart for you in a 15-minute time frame, and then it'll give you an AI analysis. So whether you'll use this or not, it's up to you. But you can also adjust how the AI will analyze the chart. But anyway, let's get started. So first is this is the AI agent. First, it will have a Telegram as the trigger, as you can see. So here, for the Telegram, you need to create a bot. So to do that, you go to botfather, just search botfather in Telegram, and then you type in new bot. Once that is done, it will ask for a name, and then it will ask for a username. So once you got the username, like this one, the username is this, the @skids_ta bot. Then once you got the username, it will give you this message, and you'll have this token. So once you got the token, you just add it here in the token area, and then trigger on when we receive a message. So that's same settings here in the send message. It will have technical analysis bot, so it will response to this bot, to the bot that we just created. So anyone can just use the bot, just like chat it, and then you'll get a reply. Anyway, so then we add this AI agent. Um, this it's a simple. This is the prompt. So it's fixed for the US 30, J30, NAS 100, and Hong Kong HKG 33. So you can adjust that based on what you need. And I also put so basically just instructing your bot how to respond on this area. So you can check that out on the template. Uh, if you need one, I can send over the JSON file for this. So for each agent, you need a brain. So I use ChatGPT 4.0. Others, I've seen others use Claude. This Claude's also very technical. And then you need to have a Windows buffer memory. So you uh, just so that the bot will see the last 5 messages, and it it can talk to you with continuity. And then we connected a tool, the get chart tool. So this is where the magic happens. Now this will call the tool. This is the tool. It's another workflow. So every time our agent calls that tool, it goes to this. So what it will send is the query, what's the symbol, and the chat ID. The chat ID is so that the bot can send it to the correct chat. So anyway, let's get into the tool. So the tool, this is just a set, like a set value, set ticker. You can actually skip this one. I just added this one for easy testing, so I can just add whatever ticker I have, and then without triggering the tool. So you can remove that, but just put it there. And we're using this one, chart image. Oh shit. This one. We're using this. Mm, we're using this API, the chart image. They get their charts in TradingView. So to do that, you'll need to read the API, uh, the API document for it. So you'll see there. But anyway, if you got this template, it'll be there for you. So Yeah, so there's the value here. This is the JSON. So the JSON here will be available in their API documentation. So I'm just using the basic. If you're gonna really get into it, you'll need to pay for more requests. So I have a daily limit of 50 requests, and I don't need that much. So these are the endpoints. You can read through this on your own time. If you want to add more indicators like this one, corners, RSI, envelopes. So for this one, I only added RSI and a simple moving average. So all these structures here in JSON can be found here in their API documentation. Then just make sure the settings are there. Post, you'll read everything in their documentation, and response format is JSON. So we'll get a JSON format as the output, and then we download the chart. So we need to get the URL as an output. So that's why our output is using JSON. We'll check the executions here. So we'll see what it looks like. So the output will be something like this. We'll need this URL so that we can download the chart, and it will look like this. So the download chart is just an HTTP get the using the JSON URL, and then we'll get this output data as a binary. Take note on the binary part, because that is where we send the chart. So as you can see, uh, one sec. Let's go in here first. Technical analysis. Oops, let's go back. So it goes through an AI, and then this is where how it will analyze the chart based on the image. As you can see, let's get back to the execution here. So the reason why we need to download the chart is we're gonna get that's how the AI will view the image. So as you can see, we have input type binary, and then make sure that the data field name is data, which is the same here. And then this is what you can adjust based on how you want the AI to analyze that chart. So right now I'm only using the candlesticks, RSI, SMA, and then this was an old I think this was an old prompt. I have to check, but I've already removed that because I wasn't using that. Yeah, it's not there. So just support and resistance zones, actionable insights, other observations if needed, and all that. So you can change that however you want, but you can also use that as well. Then it goes through here, and then it will use the image, uh, I mean not the image, the URL to send to Telegram. This is where the image is sent to Telegram. Once that's done, we will have our response here. So whatever outputs here, we're just getting the technical analysis part of the output. uh, let's get into it. So we only need this part. Let's see, choices, message, this one. We only need this part, so we don't need anything else. So the output will just need to use this content, message content. Where is that message? This here, message content. So we only need to use this one, and that's the output that our agent will get. So once it gets that, so as you can see, it just calls the workflow. Just find the workflow, and once the agent gets that information, that's the one it's going to output then to our Telegram, exactly as it is. All right, so yep, that's the whole breakdown. If you have any questions, just send me a DM in the group, or if you want the JSONs for this, send me a DM. I'll send over the JSONs to you. Right, thanks. That's it for today. Hope you learned something.